Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a 71 Chevy El Camino. Definitely a project car, but runs and drives. Actually runs pretty good. You can see the hood. I don't know what happened there. Some paint came off. I think it blew at one time. I haven't checked the codes yet on the plate, but there you can see the lens busted. Got some old style wheels on her. Yep, she's got some mud in that fender. Of course, bottom so rusty you won't keep it anyway. Probably door looks pretty usable, and the rocker looks pretty good there. Bench seat, I mean, probably not even original, I would guess, but I think it is a Chevrolet seat or El Camino seat. They did some nice 70s stuff here with some shag felt or carpet on the armrests. So I mean, needs a headliner. Dash cracked. Did a nice job of putting a piece of tin in the floor there, so definitely gonna need some metal work. Door shut nice, and the quarters are rusty. Got a little bit of rust on that wheel well, and the other one over here is a lot worse. So we're gonna need a little work there. Tailgate looks pretty good shape. Actually, the bump rate looks pretty straight. Nice homemade hitch on there. Of course, they are trucks. And like I said, the quarters are just gone on it. Same deal here. Door looks pretty good, and the rocker looks pretty good. So, if you're looking for a Project El Camino, this one does seem to run. Got a looks like a GM crate motor at one time put in it, so that's probably why it runs so darn good. So. See the video of it running and driving. 605-695-7391.